Alrighty, so the mechanic and I are headed out to O'Reilly's to pick up some Seafoam. We are going to Seafoam the Integra. Gonna do a little bit in the vacuum lines and then the rest in the oil. Let it run for just a little bit to do a little bit of cleaning. And then I'm gonna drop the oil pan and replace it with a Moroso oil pan. So we're gonna take the expedition and go do that now. Right, mechanic?
And then we're gonna take a test drive.
Yeah, after we do the oil pan. All right, let's roll. Alright, so just got back from the auto parts store and it's starting to rain. So I gotta take the trash out. It's trash night. And then I'm gonna start Seafoam in the car. And I don't know that I'm gonna drive it too much, but I'm gonna let it idle for a little while. I don't mind working in the rain though, it's pretty nice. Alright, what I do mind is hot air coming right from that air conditioner. So not only is it noisy, but it's hot. All right. Woo! She's smoking. Let's kill the engine. All right. Now, we're gonna let it hot soak for 15 minutes and then I will come back, turn it on, and let the smoke show commence. I'm going to shut this so that it doesn't get all rained on. Throw these out. Be back with y'all in like 15. We're gonna go for a little ride. Try and two-step in the driveway. I'll be right back, buddy. Okay. Need the smoke shed. All right. Sounds good. I don't want to get on it too much because I got the Seafoam in the oil. Like I said, I don't want to get on it too much. Oops. I gotta learn better self-control. Let's go home. Well, all the Seafoam is burned out, as you can see. Nothing. Now there's a little bit, yeah. This car is so much fun. All right, time to go home. Time to get this thing ready to put on the Moroso oil pan, which will be in the next episode. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. I'm back, baby. Peace out, Cub Scouts. Oh, gotta drive. Ah!